juggling emails, overflowing inboxes, and scattered sticky notes, the struggle is real. Especially when managing projects or collaborating with a team. You scramble to keep track of deadlines, tasks get forgotten, and frustration mounts. There's got to be a better way, right? Well, breathe a sigh of relief, because there is. Introducing Asana, a project management software designed to be your digital command center. But what exactly does Asana do? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of streamlined workflows, boosted productivity, and finally saying goodbye to to-do list chaos. Imagine a central hub where you can create, assign, and track tasks for yourself and your entire team. Asana does exactly that. It provides a visual interface where you can break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Think of it as a digital whiteboard where everything is neatly organized and easily accessible. Here's where the magic starts. Let's say you're a marketing team working on a new campaign launch. You can create a project in Asana specifically for the campaign. Within that project, you can create individual tasks for each team member. Need a graphic designer to create banner ads? Assign a task with a deadline. Need a copywriter to craft the perfect social media post? Another task gets added. But Asana takes it a step further. You can attach files directly to tasks, eliminating the "where's that document?" scramble. Need everyone to see the latest design iteration? Attach it to the task. Want to share brainstorming notes? Upload the document right there. Everything stays organized and in one place. Speaking of collaboration, Asana fosters seamless communication within your team. You can assign tasks to specific individuals, set due dates, and leave comments for clarification or updates. No more endless email threads trying to figure things out. Team members can see each other's progress, ensuring everyone stays on track and accountable. Now, let's face it, deadlines are a part of life. Asana helps you stay on top of them with its built-in calendar view. See all your upcoming deadlines laid out clearly, allowing you to prioritize tasks and avoid last-minute scrambles. Additionally, Asana sends automatic notifications to keep team members informed about approaching deadlines. No more excuses for missed deadlines. But Asana is more than just a fancy to-do list app. It offers a variety of features that cater to different needs. Need to visualize your workflow? Kanban boards provide a visual representation of your project stages, allowing you to see how tasks move through the pipeline. Need to track project progress? Reporting tools provide valuable insights into team performance and project health. Let's not forget the power of automation. Asana allows you to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic work. Imagine automatically assigning tasks based on certain criteria or creating recurring tasks, saving you precious time and energy. And because Asana understands the modern work environment, it seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Slack, Dropbox, and Google Drive. This allows you to work within your existing workflow and eliminates the need to constantly switch between platforms. Now, here's the best part. Asana offers a free plan with enough features to get you started. This makes it a fantastic option for individuals, small teams, or anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of project management software. As your needs grow, Asana offers paid plans with additional features to further streamline your workflow. So, whether you're a freelancer drowning in tasks, a small business owner trying to keep things organized, or part of a large team collaborating on complex projects, Asana can be your game changer. It's a powerful tool that helps you achieve focus, boost productivity, and finally conquer that to-do list monster. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.